watch it.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got another driving lesson and another mock test with Phoebe. This is our third one now in a row, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first one was the best one.
Yeah.
Second one, it was a
disaster.
it was one of those routes that is quite difficult, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so we went through that turn where you messed up and everyone else does mess up, yeah.
Yeah.
And today we're going to do another one, and this one is quite challenging as well. Okay, lots of big roundabouts, carriageways, yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing that you haven't really covered before. It's just down to you now, yeah. Okay, like I said, this part's easy as an instructor. We've done our part where we teach you guys, and now it's just you just got to assess everything, make the decisions yourself rather than relying on us. Yeah. Okay, right. So I think this time what we'll do is, on the other mock tests, I've spoken about the faults as they happen.
Yeah.
Shall we leave this till the end this time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know what you guys prefer. Yeah. Do you prefer when we speak about the faults when they happen, or is it better when I edit them and do the voiceovers after? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Any questions before we start?
No.
Right. Move off when you're ready. At this crossroad, Phoebe noticed the oncoming van is turning, sees a safe gap and isn't hesitant. On this road, the speed limit is 30 miles per hour. Phoebe reaches 34 and I'm waiting for her to slow down, but she doesn't. So I had to tell her. This is her first serious driving fault.
Literally, oh, there's one. Just getting a bit too excited there to get to
get to where?
Don't know.
Exactly.
Get it over with.
She keeps a safe gap when stopping behind the lorry. With larger vehicles, always keep a bit more space than you would with the average car. I have to get my writing pad out now.
Christ.
Two roundabouts coming up. At the first one, if you could turn right and take the third exit.
Yeah.
Then at the second roundabout, turn left. Yeah.
So right and third.
Yeah. So right third exit here. As soon as you exit this roundabout, turn left, take the first exit here.
Okay.
Phoebe approaches and enters the roundabout well, but then all of a sudden messes up. Now she's in the right hand lane with the right signal on, which is just what you should be doing when turning right at a roundabout. But instead of turning right, Phoebe thought that I had asked her to take the second exit. Like I always say, going the wrong way isn't a fault, but using the wrong lane definitely is. She should have continued to the right. Phoebe, along with many other learners, does tend to forget the directions. The solution to this would be repeating the directions to yourself a couple of times.
So second one, didn't you?
We're supposed to take the third exit of that roundabout.
Oh yeah. What I heard straight ahead. I don't know. After I asked you twice.
Turn left, please, at this mini roundabout. Phoebe is still thinking about the previous roundabout, so approaches this one slightly too fast.
What are you doing? What's she doing?
Crossing the road.
Oh, get to first.
Now guys, keep an eye on the cyclist behind us. A short pause for the ultimate driving course. A must-have for anyone that wants to save money and time on their driving lessons.
Hooray! So this course really filled my knowledge gaps and I became more confident.
My ultimate driving course consists of over 50 easy to understand, precise videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test. These are practical videos demonstrating everything from moving and stopping a vehicle to all the maneuvers plus every other module. So if you're lacking in knowledge on a certain topic, or maybe your driving instructor hasn't covered everything on your lessons, then this course has it covered. Just watch the relevant video before your driving lesson, which means you'll get into the car knowing exactly what to do. This will definitely save time on your lessons.
Can you fail for going the wrong way?
No.
Okay. I think I was a bit in my own head. I just keep hearing straight ahead.
Turn left. Even though Phoebe carries out good mirror checks on the approach to this roundabout, she doesn't anticipate what the cyclist is about to do. She should have checked that left mirror again. The guy on the bike just didn't seem to care. I had to step in. Watch out.
Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah. Hey.
That's why we check our mirrors just before.
I mean, that one was a... Does that class as a serious? Because the person was there? Hey, big fat F. This is what I don't get though about people like cyclists. Why do they get so close to... Oh my gosh.
Sweet. It's brilliant for your hazard awareness. Just keep looking out for stuff. Yeah, even when you check your mirrors, you know what's going on to assist. Do not check the mirrors just for the sake of it, yeah?
Yeah.
Check and actually understand what's happening.
You know, one interesting car colour.
Would you get a car that colour?
No. I get that car, not that colour.
I think it's a bad idea, but the cyclist might not notice it then. Park up anywhere safe on the left, please. Phoebe parks up perfectly using the mirror signal maneuver routine.
I feel like everyone just thought they just panic and just park as soon as you say park.
Right, and move off when you're ready. She carries out good all-round observations before moving off. Roundabout, if you could turn right to take the third exit, please.
Okay, my third, not second.
At this roundabout, Phoebe shows us that she does know how to turn right at a big roundabout. She does everything really well, but then a couple of minutes later, she demonstrates what not to do. Phoebe builds up speed well on this slip road and carries out good observations before joining the carriageway. After joining the carriageway, if you could follow signs to Dudley for me.
Yeah. Oh, flipping over.
Phoebe sees the sign and realises that Dudley is to the right. She signals right, but then doesn't move to the right-hand lane in good time. The white car was holding back. She cuts across at the last second, which means the back of our car is partly in the left lane, and the approach speed was way too fast.
Oh Christ almighty. What have I done there? Was it people at the car there?
Don't worry. Phoebe should have kept to the left of these markings, but drives over them.
Oh my god, I've forgotten where it was.
It's a third exit, yeah?
This one.
Sorry, yeah, this one, sorry. At the previous roundabout, we saw how good Phoebe's observations were, but at this roundabout, she doesn't check the left mirror before changing lanes to exit the roundabout.
That was confusing. Oh, I did not like that one. Why is it that was such a weird... thing. was trying to think. I thought it was going to narrow into like.
When entering this roundabout, Phoebe accidentally selects 4th gear, so stalls. She reacts well though.
Oh, she forgot. Jeez Louise.
On the approach to this roundabout, Phoebe has selected the correct lane, but as we enter the roundabout, instead of keeping to a lane, she steers into the right hand lane.
I don't know why I went into. Oh no, this lane. I need to stop getting in my own head and just keep calm. I don't know why I keep doing that.
While waiting at these lights, I made a tune with the indicator sound and my pen. It's actually quite decent, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Again, after entering this roundabout, Phoebe steers to the right but realises what she's done, and there was no one next to her, so I've marked it as a minor fault.
Oh no. I went over the bloody. Okay, I can cut that one myself. You didn't draw that one down.
That's exactly what you did on our first mock test.
The first one?
Yeah, you know when you're driving really well.
And then
came up to there and you did that.
I did that, yeah.
If you start off in the left lane, which lane should you stick to?
The left one. I don't know why I get confused. Have we done that roundabout before?
It doesn't matter if we have.
Because I always do the same thing on that
Straight ahead first exit.
roundabout.
So it's like you're here now, you're in the left lane, what are you going to do?
Stick to it. Straight ahead.
Yeah.
So this one.
Like from this lane now.
You can't go that way, yeah.
You always ask that question here as well, yeah.
Just double check I don't go in the right way.
That doesn't matter. If you're in the, just go whichever lane you're in now. Okay?
That's the end of the test. Let's find out how many serious faults Phoebe noticed.
I don't know why I need to just stop rushing things. It's how quick I was to try and
Yeah.
park.
Switch off the engine.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, if you somebody up there, just like you said. Yeah, so you got to stop trying to rush everything. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, how many serious faults do you think you made, if any?
I lost count. I think probably a good 3 or 4. 5 or 6.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And the whole point of these mock tests are to find out what areas we still need to improve on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So just by this was our 3rd mock test now. Yeah. First one went well. We made a mistake. A couple of mistakes there, on the lane discipline. But those lane discipline faults have appeared in the last 2 mock tests.
Yeah.
In this one and the previous one. Yeah. That's something we definitely need to work on.
Okay. I'm going backwards. How did you start your first mock test doing well and then the like?
Nah, but like I said, these ones are a bit more challenging. The routes were a lot more challenging. To be fair, yeah. Okay, so you're not going backwards in that sense. It's like I do this all of my learners. I do when they feel they can drive this off, which you can.
Yeah.
These 3 mock tests now, if we keep doing more and more mock tests, the things are going to keep happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we need a couple of lessons just to sort out these issues, and then you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Okay. The solution to this is going to be just me asking which way you're going, what lane you're going to use, who's behind you. That's it. If I'm saying that to you, I know you're not going to mess up, but then you've got to work something out that's going to work for you, because you'll do something brilliant, same thing again. It's like messed up.
I don't know what it is, because I know exactly how to drive a car. I know exactly where you go, but then with even the turn-ins, where there's a turn in and then there'll be another road that'll come in, oncoming, I'll still get confused that I'm going to end up going the wrong way. I don't know, I overthink everything.
Yeah, I think again, the main thing is you are aware of it. And there's I always say there's no quick fix to it, but I think with you just speaking a bit to yourself of, okay, third exit, right, third exit, right, third exit. Yeah. There's someone behind me. I'm going to stick to this lane.
Yeah.
That's it. And when you do make a fault, don't let it get to you, because you'll make something. You'll be thinking about that, and you're not focused ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's sort that in the next couple of lessons, yeah, and yeah, hopefully we can improve that, yeah. Okay, right. So any questions? Right, guys. Like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.